How to request a refund on People Per Hour. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how you can request a refund easily on People Per Hour. So how can you request a refund? The first step is for you to log in into your account, just like I've done here. And so once you're logged in, the next thing will be for you to navigate to the project where you want to request a refund. And how do you do that? Once you're on your page, move to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon and just click on it. Then a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu, you will see options like post project, dashboard, profile, freelancer activity. Select that. And selecting freelancer activity, you will be brought to your freelancer activity page where you will see the offers that you've posted as well as the project that you are working on. And then by the right side, you will see the different categories of the project and you will see the metrics. Now, once you can see that, the next step will be for you to navigate to the project that you would like to request a refund for and then click on that project. Once you click on the project, you will see the button disputes. Click on the dispute button and then you'll be asked to explain the reason for your refund request. Go ahead, explain the reason, and then your dispute will be processed and it will be resolved by giving you your money back. All right, that is one way. Another way is if you cannot find dispute button or the dispute button is not going through here on this particular page, the next step would be for you to contact the customer support. You have to submit a ticket to the customer support. And how do you do so? Move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon and click on it again. And once you click on it, you will see options like post projects, dashboard, profile. Since you cannot see any option that has to do with customer support here, just go to the top right corner of the screen, click on the plus icon to open a new tab, and in the search box, just type out people per hour support. Alright, people per hour customer support. Then click on the search icon, and then you can see options like contacting customer support, submit a request. So for this particular concern or problem, the best thing would be for you to submit a request since you are requesting for a refund. So click on the submit a request tab, and then you'll be taken to the help centers page. So on this page, the next step will be for you to enter in your email address. Then select what you need help with. Are you a buyer? Are you a freelancer? Select freelancer since you want a refund. Then select payment slash billing, and then select refund. All right, so select refund process and then type out the subject of your request, which is I want a refund, or you have to give the name of the project. So for example, if it's a graphic design project, just type that out, or if the project has a specific name, ensure you include that as well. All right, so after doing that, scroll down and then give a description about the project and attach files if you need to, then click on submit. All right, click on submit, and then once you click on submit, your request will be sent to the customer support of People Per Hour, and then the response will be sent to you via your email. So pay attention to your email, and from there you would be directed on what to do. So that is it. All right, this is how you can request a refund and get it successfully on People Per Hour. Thank you for watching and practice what you've learned. Have a wonderful day.